In this next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you analysis of USDJPY. See, don't dare to miss this video. You have a chance to make a clear 232 pips. You can catch 232 pips if you watch this video till the end. So make sure you hit the subscribe button as well. So let's get started. See, 232 pips. I'm serving you in this plate. So just take it. Just take it. And see, we have discussed earlier also that USDJPY is a bullish pair now. The only liquidity left to be grabbed was this inducement level and this order block. So market shows a reaction on the inducement level as well, but didn't make it. So the only liquidity yet to be grabbed is this beautiful order block. But what if I tell you this order block lies on the OTE level? If you're an SMC player, if you do smart money concept, if you trade on the base of ICT and all, you might be knowing the value of OTE level. See, when the order block and the OTE level combine, that makes a unicorn setup. Don't dare to miss this trade. Don't dare. And yes, make sure that you wait for the MSS to happen, the market structure shift. So let's go. If you see these trades, and see, you might be seeing these two trades as well. I have told you in my video that how I have taken this trade, what was the setup, what was the entry, what was the exit. So you can watch that video as well. So the only liquidity left is this OBE, that order block that is on the OTE level. So market has to reflect from there. Market will come, retrace this and will skyrocket. Okay. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. See, I am giving you free knowledge. Like big traders hide this knowledge from you, and I am serving this to you in a plate. Like, what are you guys doing? Just hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, so you don't miss an update from FX updates. Okay, so let's see. And yes, in half an hour I will be posting the analysis of Euro USD also, and maybe gold as well if there are some moves. See, Monday to Friday I post video almost every day. Like Monday to Friday I post 3 videos, like Euro USD analysis, USDJPY analysis, gold analysis. On Saturdays I post that what trades I took, what were their logics, what were their accuracy. I know you love my accuracy. On Sundays I will post some informative videos for you and the expected moves for next week. Okay, so make sure you subscribe now. So now I'm going to tell you how to take entry on this trade. See, when you zoom into the 3-minute time frame, this small order block will become like this big. So when the price retraces, it will surely make an MSS, like we call it market structure shift. If you are doing SMC, you know that. If you don't know, then DM me. I can give you personal guidance if you want. And yes, if FVGs are formed, then only take the entry. Otherwise market will go more deeper in the order block. Okay, see, if MSS have formed, there are 1 or 2 FVGs, then surely take this trade blindly. Not blindly, it's your hard-earned money. Make sure you place it where you feel safe. So this is my analysis that almost work every time. So when you see this structure, this trade, okay, so, and let's see what else I can tell you. Yes, that's all for today for the USDJPY. Make sure you hit the subscribe button now and don't miss any updates from us. Let me know your opinions in the comment section. I would really appreciate that, and will engage as well. Okay, that's all for today. Love you. I hope you love me back.